SERV stock analysis, is the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. SERV Robotics stock sitting at $13.76, 1.4% down for the day. All right. Overall, a bullish market for me. I mean, it's just how I look at it. Please don't judge, because all I'm using is just the strategy that's previously delivered 1,000 square predictions. This is all from a day/swing trade perspective. So personally, I would look for a buy here, but not the way you might think, because I'm not gonna just randomly buy. Very interesting point here, because we're here in at 1376. Either the price delivers below 1316 or 1514. Only on those around this there, because only when we start breaking either above or below the pink level, a rectangle, only then I'd be interested in the price, because this is a no man's land. And yeah, it's sitting at no man's land right now, so I'll be pretty much waiting. There's nothing else that I would try and add here. Yeah, so being pretty patient. If you want to learn the strategy for free, check the photos link in the description. See you in the next one.